that is Attorney General J.B. Muturi, because now we had the tiff between the executive and the judiciary, and now he's also sitting at the JSC.
Yeah, don't forget that Justin Muturi is an experienced judge who has served in the judiciary for a long time as a lawyer, and having been the Speaker of the National Assembly for a long time, and now Attorney General, is one of the most grounded leaders in this country and legal advisor to the government of Kenya. But the judiciary, even in as much as he's a member of the Judicial Service Commission, he doesn't run the operations of the judges and magistrates in the judiciary. The issue that has been pointed out by Kenyans is rogue individuals in the judiciary. And it's not the entire judiciary. There are very many good judges at the judiciary. And I've been a great user of the courts, and I've worked with eminent lawyers in this country, senior counsels, but Nasir Abdullahi, Kyogo Kilukumi, and Paul Mwit, and the rest, and the list can go on. And I can tell you, quite a number of judges are corrupt. And even some of the judgments that have been rendered, and with the excuse that they're unconstitutional, the judges are unable to quote the various clauses of the Constitution that have been violated. And so the judiciary is not independent and is not a glass that should not be touched. It's an entity that must be accountable to the people of Kenya. And the users of the courts, who are the people, should be able to speak out.
Yeah.
If indeed, and it is true indeed, that judges were corrupt and the judiciary is not clean, and they must be called out, and they've been called out. And we can see the pattern of the judgments that they give. For when I was in the labor union, I used to see how the judiciary could be misused to stifle unions. Some of those orders from those courts, which we felt were wrong, were defied, and we defied, and it worked. And you see some of these judgments. You defy some of the orders? Yes, you defy. If an order is unsustainable and it's non-enforceable, you defy. And this is where we are getting to. If the judiciary will continue rendering judgments that cannot be sustained by law and the Constitution, then at some point they will be defied. And we saw during the reforms of the judiciary, during Kibaki administration, some of the judges were taken to task over the judgment that they rendered as individuals. That is where we are at the moment, because some of the judgments indeed are more political than legal. Okay. And therefore, when the judiciary is called out, we cannot have this barrage of certain defense to try and defend the judiciary as if it is a kingdom of angels.